Travel only a few scenic miles from town down a quiet paved county road to this most picturesque of properties. Roaming Blackbuck add to the charm that this peaceful hill country estate provides. Visitors enter the electric gate to a large open field and park-like setting with both sides of Indian Creek on your right. The babbling creek with a small dam collects water for the wildlife and adds to the ambiance of this remarkable property. Approximately 44 acres with the perfect mix of live water, hills, fields, manicured trees, old oaks, and even a little rustic cover for the animals within the high fenced border. Up the hill leads to the perfect location for the gorgeous custom home with incredible views. The home's features include cathedral ceilings with a large fireplace, full-length back porch, upstairs balcony, open concept, hardwood floors, and unique touches like the beams believed to be reclaimed from an old train depot in St. Louis. The home measures approximately 3,250 square feet with 3-bedroom suites and an additional powder room for guests. For your chance to view this exceptional hill country estate, contact the Superior Texas Landman.